Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My past 5 videos has been how to make money online, and I've been giving you different strategies, different ways for us to make money in 2022. So in today's video, we'll be talking about something special and unique. That is day trading. That is swing trading. That is online trading. That is stocks trading. That is hello trading. That is Bella trading. That is phone trading. So whatever you choose to call it, give it a name. You are allowed. Is trading online. Before we explain the details of online trading, you know what we do in this channel. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. It's our culture. Sit down properly. Hit it. Like it. Subscribe. Now we are talking. We dance and subscribe. We dance and like the video. It's our culture. When we talk about trading, it simply involves buying and selling of assets. You are a person from a store, from Walmart, Tesco, Sainsbury's, Apple, Amazon. What you are doing is actually called trading. You are giving them your money and they are giving you the new iPhone. You give them your money, they give you the new pen. You give them your money, they give you something different. That's trading. So trading is not something that you can't understand. It's what we do on a day-to-day basis. When you go to the store to pick any item, you are trading. But in this scenario, we're talking about trading in the financial market. We're talking of trading stocks, commodities, derivatives, crypto, forex, and several other financial instruments. So it deals with buying and selling of assets. The good thing is that you can do it at the comfort of your couch. And it's simple, just like every other business that you know. You buy it for $20, you sell it for $30. The $10 there is your profit. But what makes trading to be different from the traditional buying things and selling things on Amazon is that in trading, you can buy and sell, or you can sell and buy. So you can either click a button to buy before you sell, or you can choose to click a button to sell before you buy. Trading in the financial market was before left for gurus, for expert financial professionals. But in a modern world, you and I can trade. I'm even a trader. So it just involves you buying any asset you want and selling it anytime you want. But if you want to be a day trader, you have to sell it on the same day. If you want to be a swing trader, you have to sell it within weeks and months. If you want to be a position trader, you have to sell it within 1 year or years. So to start trading, one thing that's very important is that you have to learn about the whole concept of trading and decide the asset you want to trade, either crypto, stocks, forex, or any other asset that you want to trade. And you can make a whole lot of profit doing it. The profit can be mouth-watering. It's one of the best and easiest way to actually make money online. And I know you've heard about forex trading. I want to tell you that it's legitimate. I agree that you need money to start, but the good thing about living in this modern world is that you don't need so much money to start. I would encourage you to apply for FTMO trading account. So if you apply for FTMO, they can give you 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K, 200K. Once you pass the challenge and verification, for you to trade on their behalf. And for any profit you make, they will give you 80% of the profit. And once you reach a certain level, they'll give you up to 90% of the profit. So you see, in 1 month, if you can trade very well, you can make 20K in 1 month. In fact, what am I saying? In 1 day, you can make a profit of 20K. So imagine I'm giving you 80% of that profit. That's more than 10K per day. And people are doing it legitimately. It's not illegal. It's legal. It's right. It takes time to learn. You have to learn it. You have to really open your mind to learn about trading. So you have to learn how it works, how it does not work, the rules of the game. I'm already feeling myself. It's a game of the forex. It's a game of the market that involves buying and selling of securities. So once you know the game, you can pack the money. If you want me to teach you more about how to trade, things you need to know, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, I'm happy to do that. How do you convince me you have interest? You subscribe to my channel, you like this video, and you comment that you have interest so that I can churn out tons and tons of videos for you on how to trade. Of course, all for free. You know me, I will teach you more than those paid courses that they are making noise for, and I will give it to you all for free. On one condition, you must be a subscriber. I know you've heard about forex. You can't miss the advert online. The advert is all over the internet. I am sure that you can't miss it. I know some people think it's scam. It's not scam, but some people that market it may not be the best instructor. But that does not mean that forex is a scam, or day trading is a scam, or stock trading is a scam. It's not a scam. You just need to put in a lot of work to learn it. If you're able to learn it very well, it can be lucrative. It can really be lucrative. You know, you can earn a lot of money in a short span of time. And also, you can lose a lot of money in a short span of time. So, if you want to learn about day trading, you have to learn about technical analysis, where you learn about moving average, crossover, Bollinger Bands, support and resistance, different charts, bullish candle, engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candle. There are so many terminologies when we come to trading. If you are interested in that area, you mostly deal with charts. You are watching the financial market, you are trading stocks, you are trading crypto, you are trading gold, you are trading futures, options. There are a lot of things that you can trade with. And if you try one and that one is not for you, you try the other one. I started by trading stocks, but I discovered that stocks was not very volatile. Then I moved to gold, and I discovered that gold was extremely volatile. It was too volatile for me. Then I started trading forex. As of now, I trade forex. So I've made a class on day trading, technical analysis, and chart, and things you need to know when it comes to trading. So you can take the class in order to have an idea of how to trade profitably, in order to make profit consistently. And you can use different platforms to start trading. There's eToro, there's Robinhood, there's Trading 212, there's IG. There are different trading platforms that are available out there you can use to start trading. I will always advise to start with little money. Start with little money. In fact, don't even start with your own money. Start with demo account. I started with demo account. Please start with demo account. Demo account is where you use paper money, virtual paper money, to have a feel of the market, to see if this thing is for me. So by doing the paper trading, to give you an idea of if this thing is for me, in order to exploit further or to stop there. And I've explained a lot about trading and day trading, and I really enjoy it and I really love it. You know, it's a way to earn passive income. But trading is not passive in itself. It's like you need to do a lot of learning, a lot of work. You need to study, you need to understand. So my advice is just do demo trading. The most popular platform for trading is TradingView. TradingView. And you can see things that I trade on. In forex, I trade pound dollar, euro dollar. I trade crypto sometimes. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, S&P 500. Let's go to Bitcoin. You can see the chart of Bitcoin, how it's performing. And you know, you just to click on buy and sell. And I would advise you to just start with TradingView paper trading to have a feel of the market, to see if this thing is for you or not. If you're someone that like analyzing data, analyzing numbers, it may be a good place for you to earn money. So you can see, if you come down, you can see under trading panel. Under trading panel, you see this is TradingView. Under trading panel, you will see the different brokers that you can trade with: Owando, Gemini, forex.com, TradeStation. But my advice is to start with paper trading. Start with paper trading. It doesn't cost any money to do that, and it's free, and it gives you a substantial experience to know that if trading is for you or not. And once you've acquired experience in trading, I also encourage you to go for FTMO. FTMO is a prop trading firm that recruit forex traders and other traders. So instead of using your own money to trade, they will give you their money to trade on their behalf. But you will need to pass their challenge. You will need to pass their test. So they will do a challenge for you. You need to pass it. You pass verification before they give you their own money, like 100K, 200K to trade with. So that if you lose your money, you're not losing your own money. You are losing their money. So if you're into trading, please try and go to the website and consider it and see if you can get any nuggets from what I've said. I'm sure that you get some things, some insights